Hey to all of my gems. I have gone natural again. I big chopped again. So, hey gems, how are you doing? Let me put on my headband here and I'm gonna talk about what's going on with me. As you guys can see, let me take my glasses off. As you guys can see, the hair is gone. Yeah, so I big chopped again. I cut all my hair off again for multiple reasons, and I'm going to talk to you guys in this video about the reason why I decided to big chop my natural hair again. So first of all, my hair was not healthy because I had been doing lots of blowouts and silk presses and using irons and heat and all of that. So my hair had a lot of damage, and I definitely did not need to cut down to a TWA, which means teeny weeny afro. I didn't need to cut that much, but the reason why I did is because this is easy. And number two is because I just wanted to. The third reason is because you guys know I'm serious about being on a healthy journey, and I just did not have the time to be silk pressing, roller setting, spending time on braids and this and twists. I just wanted to be able to wake up, have my spray bottle, spritz it with some water, put in my leave-in conditioner, and either my mousse or my gel, and either sit under my hooded dryer or let it air dry for about 20 minutes and head out the door. I really needed the convenience. So that was another reason why I decided to big chop. And also because of my healthy journey, like I feel like I'm in a different space in my life, like spiritually. I'm just a different person. I'm growing into myself and loving myself more and taking better care of myself and just all of it. And I feel like for me, I'm not saying for everybody, but for me, I needed to take the wigs and all the additions off so I can just say, this is me. This is me with my little kinky, coily, curly, cottony, natural hair. So, what else? Oh, I went to talk to all of the ladies that are natural. I want to know, are you an undercover natural? I'm sure you guys are out there, you undercover naturals. Like, ladies, don't be afraid. And I'm saying this while I was afraid, but free yourself. It's such an empowerment. It was so empowering for me because I big chopped my hair yesterday. What had happened was I was in the bathroom, I got myself together, and I'm looking at myself in the mirror, and my hair just looks stringy and yeah, like, you know how those of you who don't know about natural hair, when you have some heat damage in your hair, there's a separation, like how my hair is a fro right now, but when you have heat damage, you have strings poking out everywhere. Strings because of the heat damage, and you get the heat damage from various things. So, and also doing too much, and I definitely was doing too much, pressing my hair, silk pressing, everything, doing too much blow drying, too much everything. And not just that, I had neglected my hair for months because I was going through a specific trial in my life. And I'm going to be honest with you guys, because you guys know I don't sugarcoat it. I don't lie to you guys. I don't fake things. Because I was going through a specific situation in my life, I had neglected my hair, you know. Just the good old just slap that wig on and go, or quickly every time throwing a comb, hot comb through my hair, or silk pressing, or something that it was involving heat, and I was not giving my hair, my natural hair, any attention. Now, there's no shade to anybody who chooses to wear wigs, braids, units. I love them, and I'm going to continue to use them whenever it's convenient for me. But for right now, at this mode and space that I'm in, and another thing is that Florida is hot. I don't know about you guys, but Florida is hot. It's hot here, and I got tired of walking around with that hair hat. It's like, it's too hot. I just took that wig and just threw it to the back, and yeah, and we're here with the mini. Yeah, let's get a little close up on the mini, because the fro is froing. I do plan on going to the hairdresser and making them tighten it up, you know, even it up a little bit. But I think I did pretty good doing my own big chop. I'm sure they're probably going to do something, and I may choose to put in some hair dye, some color into it, and get it styled and stuff. But I'm in a journey of, I need things to be easy right now. I just like to wake up in the morning, spritz, and do a few things. And what I was doing, the reason why my hair had broke off so badly was because I was doing so many buns, pulling my hair back, and it was so much tension that my hair in the ponytail, it was breaking at the nape. So that was the first place that I had to cut the nape. And then when I started going like at the top, it was a lot of stringy pieces, because, you know, straightening it to make it look silky and straight. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, my hair is not naturally straight. It's not. My hair is coily and is cottony, and I'm gonna be doing some videos as you know, as my hair grows, as I find out the products that my hair likes. And I'm gonna go to my hairdresser and find out, is my hair low porosity, high porosity, and you guys will be seeing like some hairstyles, because I think my hair is the perfect length to put some coils in it. So we're gonna try coils, I think, and as my hair grows, I'm gonna try flexi rods and some other stuff, and then I'll see where it goes. But for right now, you guys are gonna have to get used to seeing me with this mini fro. Today is May the 17th, 2026. So we're gonna see how this is going to go. I'm gonna try to do at least 2 hair videos a year. So I'm gonna do a 6-month hair journey, and then I'm gonna do 1 year for my big chop and talk about some lessons and stuff like that. But hopefully when I go and I get my hair trimmed, conditioned, styled, colored, whatever it is that my natural hairstylist is going to do for me, of course I'm going to bring you guys along and show you guys the before. And I think I want to show you guys like how my hair looks wet, how my hair looks dry. I got so much content that's going to be coming to you guys that has to do with natural hair. But one thing I want to say is that I'm so happy. I feel free, and yeah. So if you guys see me with wigs on, don't think that I'm embarrassed or ashamed of my natural, because I'm not. I love it, but convenient sometimes for business things, I put on my wigs. But you're going to be seeing more of the fro. I am going to think about a name to call her, but yeah, I've big chopped, and yeah, I'm one day post natural hair, one day post big chop. I want to know in the comments, are any of you ladies 100% natural, you know, with coily, kinky, type 4 hair or type 3 hair? And how did you feel when you went natural? I know it's going to be a cycle. I'm probably going to be sharing some things moving forward. But yeah, guys, I am natural, 100% natural. No texturizer, no relaxer in my hair right now. And I got a little mini fro, and maybe, but as it grows, maybe I'll do like a blow out my fro, and we'll see in the fall or the winter. I may have a nice little fro to show you guys. But yeah, this is her. This is my little fro. I'm so happy to reveal her to you. I had felt so nervous to show this, you know, to take the wigs off, because social media can be very brutal when it comes to natural hair. It's like people want to tell you how your hair should be, and people want to tell you to relax your hair. People want to tell you that doesn't look good, but I don't care about other people and their opinions. I am in my own skin, and I'm loving her, and I'm gonna learn how to love this hair that was made, that grows out of my scalp. I gotta learn to love her. Again, I used to take really good care of my natural hair, but like I said, because of situations, health problems, and some other situations going on in my life, I had neglected my hair. But we're coming back, and we're going to be loving our hair. And I'm also on a journey of, you know, doing some dental work. So of course, you guys know I'm going to share that. I'm going to share my dental work, my hair stuff, my fashion content, my Florida vlogs, my motivation. I bring you guys all of it over here because this is my life, and this is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger. So let me know down in the comments, is it weird for you guys to see me without long hair? Let me know. And if you guys love it, if you guys hate it, it's cool, because I'm gonna do me. See you guys in the comment section. And I'm kind of geeked about my natural hair journey. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, guys.